The secret to wealth is simple. Find a way to add more value than anyone else and you'll be rewarded handsomely. Those words, spoken by my mentor Jim Rohn, changed my life. They ignited a fire in me, a relentless pursuit of value creation and ultimately, financial freedom. You have that same fire within you. Today we're diving deep into a topic that I'm incredibly passionate about: commitment. Not just hoping, wishing, or dreaming about financial success, but committing to it with every fiber of your being. It's about making a decision, a declaration that financial freedom is your birthright, and you're ready to claim it. We'll explore the 5 pillars of financial commitment, the bedrock upon which lasting wealth is built. Are you ready to unleash your full financial potential? Let's dive in. The first pillar is setting clear, actionable goals. Without a target, you can't hit the bullseye. Write down your financial goals, be specific, and set deadlines. This will give you a roadmap to follow and keep you on track. The second pillar is education. Knowledge is power, and in the realm of finance, it's the key to unlocking opportunities. Invest time in learning about personal finance, investment strategies, and market trends. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. The third pillar is budgeting. A well-planned budget is the foundation of financial stability. Track your income and expenses meticulously. Identify areas where you can cut costs and allocate funds towards your goals. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. The fourth pillar is networking. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your financial aspirations. Attend seminars, join financial forums, and engage in discussions. Building a strong network can open doors to new opportunities and provide valuable insights. The fifth pillar is investment. Put your money to work for you. Diversify your investments to spread risk and maximize returns. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or other assets, make informed decisions and stay committed to your investment strategy. Along the way, you'll face challenges and setbacks. It's inevitable. But remember, commitment means staying the course even when the going gets tough. Embrace the obstacles as learning experiences and keep pushing forward. Celebrate your small wins. Each milestone you achieve brings you one step closer to your ultimate goal. Recognize your progress and use it as motivation to keep moving forward. Take time to reflect on your journey. Visualize your success and remind yourself why you started. This will help you stay focused and committed to your financial goals. As you progress, don't forget to give back. Share your knowledge and experiences with others. Mentoring can be incredibly rewarding and can reinforce your own commitment to your goals. Ultimately, financial freedom is not just about accumulating wealth. It's about living a life of purpose and fulfillment. When you commit to your financial goals, you're not just changing your bank balance, you're transforming your entire life. So take that first step today. Commit to your financial goals with unwavering determination. The journey may be long, but the rewards are worth every effort. Your future self will thank you. Remember, the power to achieve financial success lies within you. Embrace it, nurture it, and let it guide you to a prosperous future. Are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? Let's make it happen together. Your financial freedom awaits. Let's dive in and commit to a future of financial success and abundance. The time is now. Let's get started. Close your eyes. Now envision your ideal financial future. What do you see? What do you feel? I want you to really take a moment and hold on to that vision. Picture the life you're living, the freedom you have, and the way you're moving through your days without financial worry. Notice the details: the car you're driving, the home you wake up in, the adventures you're taking, and the joy in the faces of your loved ones. Feel the excitement and peace that comes with this abundant reality. Financial freedom isn't a lottery ticket, it's a process. It's about consistently making choices that move you closer to your goals. Think of financial freedom as a series of small, intentional actions that build over time. It's waking up every day and making decisions that align with your vision, whether it's investing a little more, cutting back on unnecessary expenses, or finding new ways to grow your income. Every step you take matters, and each one brings you closer to the life you've envisioned. Making your money work for you. Saving is crucial, but investing is where your money transforms from surviving to thriving. Imagine your money not just sitting in a bank, but actively working for you, growing and multiplying over time. Investing allows you to tap into the power of compound growth, where your earnings generate even more earnings. It's about shifting your mindset from just accumulating savings to creating a sustainable path toward financial abundance. We'll break down the basics of investing so you can feel confident and empowered to make your money thrive. In the world of finance, knowledge isn't just power, it's leverage. Never stop learning, growing, and evolving. To truly master the art of wealth, one must become a perpetual student. This means diving deep into financial literature, attending seminars, and seeking mentorship from those who have walked the path before you. It's about understanding market trends, investment strategies, and the economic forces that shape our world. The journey to financial wisdom is ongoing, requiring dedication and a relentless pursuit of information. Remember, the more you know, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions that can lead to lasting prosperity. The path to financial freedom isn't linear. It's an epic journey with inevitable detours. There will be obstacles, unexpected expenses, and moments that challenge your patience and discipline. But remember, every setback is an opportunity to learn and adjust your course. It's not about avoiding mistakes, but about how you recover, adapt, and keep moving forward. Embrace the journey, knowing that with each step, you're building the resilience and wisdom needed to achieve lasting financial freedom. So, there you have it, the 5 pillars of financial commitment. These pillars are not just theoretical concepts, they are actionable steps that can transform your financial future. Each pillar represents a crucial aspect of financial health, from budgeting and saving to investing and planning for the long term. By understanding and applying these principles, you can build a solid foundation for financial success. Remember, knowledge without action is meaningless. It's one thing to understand these concepts, but it's another to put them into practice. Take a moment to reflect on what you've learned and think about how you can apply it to your own life. Write down your financial goals, create a plan, and take the first step towards achieving them. Don't let this information just wash over you. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the sheer amount of financial advice out there, but don't let that paralyze you. Start small, focus on one pillar at a time, and gradually build your financial confidence. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to your financial goals. Commit to implementing these principles into your life, starting today. Consistency is key. Make financial planning a regular part of your routine. Set aside time each week to review your progress, adjust your plans, and stay on track. The more you engage with your finances, the more control you'll have over your financial destiny. Now, I want to hear from you. Your journey is unique and your insights can inspire others. Share your biggest takeaway in the comments below. What resonated with you the most? What are you excited to implement? Your experiences and questions can help create a supportive community where we all learn and grow together. Share your biggest takeaway in the comments below. Let's start a conversation. Your feedback is invaluable and it helps us understand what topics are most important to you. Whether it's a new strategy you've discovered or a challenge you're facing, your input can spark meaningful discussions and provide support to others on their financial journey. Let's create a community of driven individuals, all committed to achieving financial greatness. Together, we can share resources, offer encouragement, and celebrate each other's successes. Financial independence is not a solitary journey, it's a collective effort. By supporting one another, we can achieve more than we ever could alone. And if you found this video valuable, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more content designed to unleash your full potential. Stay connected with us for regular updates, tips, and strategies that will keep you motivated and informed. Your engagement helps us create better content and reach more people who can benefit from these insights. Remember, your financial destiny is not predetermined. It's shaped by the choices you make today. Every decision, no matter how small, contributes to your overall financial health. Be proactive, stay informed, and make choices that align with your long-term goals. Your future self will thank you for the efforts you put in now. Live with passion, purpose, and unwavering commitment, and I guarantee you, incredible things will unfold. Embrace the journey with enthusiasm and determination. Financial success is not just about accumulating wealth, it's about creating a life of freedom, security, and fulfillment. Stay focused, stay committed, and watch as your financial dreams become a reality.